Good morning. I just wanted to make this video to walk through what our next 2 weeks look like. You'll have a video and an explanation of things in Google Classroom, but I realized that I kind of hadn't walked through what the next 2 weeks are going to look like, so I wanted to do that. So if you're in your weekly schedule, like on my screen, you will see that today we have a couple announcements to do. We're going to introduce this thing called the Global Goals Dictionary, which is what we are working on from now until Friday, April 16th. That is the last day before spring break, and then woohoo, we have spring break for a week. So we're going to introduce that today, kind of come up with a plan. Basically, you are creating a dictionary that has at least 8 words. You have 10 school days to do it. 4 in person and 6 remote. So you should, if you can do 1 word a day, you have 2 days of wiggle room. But to kind of help with that and to check in, on Tuesday, April 6th, we have a check-in number 1 on a Google form. You should have 1 or 2 words done on Tuesday. This post at the beginning of class, but you have until I think it's 11:59 at night on Tuesday to finish this. So Wednesday, just a work day. Thursday, work day. Friday, we have our second check-in on a Google form. At this point, you should have 4 to 5 words done in your dictionary. And the form will ask you how many words do you have done, if you are behind, what, why, and then what's going well, what's not. So then if we look at week 10, so next week, Monday in person, you have a work day. Tuesday in person, work day. We have our third check-in. It is on a Google form. You should have 6 to 7 words done, because then you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to do your last 2 words if you're going for 8, and it is due on Friday, April 16th, right there. So this is what we are working on. It is your in-person work, it is your remote work, it is all of the things. We will look at this in class, but I just wanted to overview kind of the schedule and the check-ins that we have set up to kind of help make sure we're staying in a good place.